In Cedar Park, Round Rock, and Austin, comfort matters fast. Advanced air conditioning and heating helps you cut wasted energy without sacrificing cool air. From quick air conditioner fixes to full system installs, we keep it simple and clean. Heat pump acting up, or the heater won't kick on? We show up ready, even when it's an emergency. And with routine tune-ups, small issues don't turn into big bills. For dependable help from advanced air conditioning and heating, call us today.